Homes for sale, home buyers blog, should I have a home inspection? Hey, realtor and area specialist Mike and Jennifer Wrigley here, bringing you the latest real estate information. Thanks for joining us. Today, let's talk about whether or not you should have a home inspection. The quick answer is yes, absolutely. Regardless of how old or new a house is, it's always a good idea to have it inspected by a professional home inspector. The reason being is homes are built by humans, not machines. Even new homes can have their flaws that might not otherwise show up without an inspection. With a home inspection, a good inspector will go into the attic and look at the roof sheeting. If the roof is leaked, there will be evidence of the previous leak. Without the inspection, you may not have never known there was ever a potential problem. In addition, they will test the systems of the house, including the heating and air conditioning, the electrical, and the basic structure. Now, homes that have been recently rehabbed or flipped are good examples of when a home inspection is needed. The assumption is that everything has been replaced, and what can go wrong, right? And the answer is plenty. We recently represented a buyer purchasing a flip property. There was a new heater, but the ducting was never hooked up. The home inspector also detected previous moisture damage that had been painted over. Without the inspection, this all would have gone undetected. A pest inspector is another inspection that you should strongly consider. When we say pest, we're referring to any infestation or infection of wood-destroying pest or dry rot. The pest inspector will also test the shower pan to ensure it's not leaking into the foundation or crawl space, something that might otherwise go undetected. These inspections cost money, no doubt, and often when buying that first home you can be tight on cash. But imagine how these needed repairs and deficiencies would be, how expensive it would be to correct if you didn't find out. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Now, for more helpful tips or help in finding that perfect place to call home, call us today at 916-378-4671 for a free, no-obligation consultation, or log on to www.wrigleyrealtygroup.com to start your online home search today. You'll be glad you did. We'll look forward to hearing from you.